What's up guys, Pedro here, and on this video we're going to be making some fermented firecracker carrots, coming up right after this. Welcome back. If we're just meeting, my name is Pedro, and on this channel we like to share recipes from our family and friends, and sometimes we just like to have fun. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so I bought this fermentation kit on Amazon a few months ago, and I've tried to do this is my third attempt now. I did some vegetables before. I did cucumbers and I did cabbage, and the cabbage came out pretty good. I actually liked it quite a bit. It tasted almost like kimchi. But the cucumbers, oh my God, they were awful. They were mushy, and I had to throw them out. Okay, so like I said, this is my third attempt, and today we're going to be doing some fermented firecracker carrots, which is one of the recipes that came with the kit that I purchased. The kit came with special lids like these right here. Lets the gases escape from it. It also came with a pump, so you could pump the air out. Pump the air out of it, out of the jar. These are wide mouth lids. It came with 4 of those. It also came with 4 glass weights to weight the vegetables down to keep them under the brine while you're fermenting, or while they're fermenting. Oops. I keep hitting my power button on my stove by accident. For those of you who are interested, I'll put a link to this kit in the description below. Okay, this is so simple. I mean, all the brine consists of is water and salt. So I put some lukewarm water in here, and it calls for 2 teaspoons of salt, sea salt. And you need to dissolve the sea salt in the water. So I just dump that in there, stir it up a little bit, and I'm going to let that kind of dissolve. And while the salt is dissolving in the water, I'm going to go ahead and cut my carrots. I've already peeled my carrots. I'm going to cut them into like sticks, and I will also cut, let's see, I got my carrots. I'll also cut my jalapenos. I got 2 jalapenos, and I'm going to slice these and seed them as well. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to cut my carrots into sticks, and I'm going to cut my jalapenos, slice them like julienne style, and seed them as well. Doing that, I suggest wearing gloves. Anytime you handle peppers, I suggest wearing gloves, because if you accidentally rub your eyes, it's not going to feel good, I promise. Been there, done that. We're going to put this in the compost. That's my short. No, these are kind of scarce these days, but I happened to buy a box of 100 of them for painting right before this whole Corona thing started. Okay, I'm going to seed these and fill the jar, the sterilized jar, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I've got my pepper sliced up and seeded, and I've got my carrots all cut up and quartered. So now I'm going to fill the jar. I might have to have I might have to get another jar. We'll see. We'll see. I might have to use the big one I was going to use for the cabbage. We'll see. Maybe not. Okay. Okay, so I've decided to go ahead and sanitize another jar just like this because I've got enough to do 2 jars, it looks like. Before I add the brine to this, which the brine's almost ready, the salt's almost dissolved. So before I add the brine to it, I'm going to add just a pinch of red pepper flakes. And where'd my garlic go? I'm going to add a pinch of garlic to it too in just a second. Okay, so I got my other jar and filled it with the carrots and the jalapenos. And I also put a pinch of red pepper flakes and a pinch of garlic in there as well. Now I'm going to pour the brine. And you want to make sure that the vegetables are covered, but you need to leave a headspace in there. That salt's dissolved. Oh, that was perfect. Well, almost perfect. Almost perfect right there. Now, the lids that came with this kit are special lids, and they allow the gases to escape from the jar. And you just put that through this thing here. You just put that lid on there and tighten it up. Like so. Oh, I forgot to put the glass weight in there, which might. Yep, that's what I was afraid of. Might cause it to overflow a little. We'll pour it off just a little bit. The other one's going to be worse. Put that weight on there, and what it does is it keeps the vegetables down under the brine. And we're going to do the same thing here. Hope I didn't pour out too much of the red pepper flakes. Put that weight in there. I'll hold that under there. Put the lid on there. Bam. Okay, so now this is the hardest part of pickling or fermenting or whatever you're doing like this. It takes 7 to 18, I think it was 7 to 18 days. Let's see what it says. Yeah, 7 to 18 days is what this recipe says. This is the recipe that came with the kit for these fermented firecracker carrots. It only has like 2 or 3 recipes in this that came with the kit. But you can buy books, or you can go online and find all kinds of recipes. So anyways, we're going to put these up. Okay, so you want to store these in a cool, dark place. I say cool, temperature between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 to 18 days. Okay, today makes 2 weeks that these have been sitting. We're going to open one up and taste them. All right, so let's taste one of these. Oh my goodness. There's a slight film. Looks like a slight film on top. It smells good. It smells really good. Let me get a napkin real quick. Okay, it looks like there's a slight film on it. Well, these smell good. They smell really good. I hope they taste good. Mmm. Mmm. They've got a really good sour taste to them, and they're still crunchy. Mmm. That is delicious. Oh, man, I tell you what, those are good. I just tried one of the peppers, and they're very good too. These aren't going to make it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Until next time, God bless. Y'all take care.